Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. Today we'll be making a cheese, onion and tomato pasty. First we'll make our pastry. I've measured out 340 grams of plain flour. Add a pinch of salt to that. Then I'm going to need 170 grams of chilled cold butter. I'm just pinching the butter into the flour with my fingertips. So after a few minutes of working that together, this is what it should look like. And then we're about ready to add our very cold water, just small amounts at a time. So that's enough water now. You can see it's coming together, easy enough to form a ball. Now it can rest for an hour in the fridge. While the pastry is resting, we're going to roughly chop and fry some onions. I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of oil in my frying pan. Keep the onions on a medium heat and keep them moving around. We don't want any liquid forming. Now I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic, some mixed herbs, oregano and thyme. And now a pinch of salt and ground black pepper. Now the onions are nice and soft, we'll leave them to cool down. So I'm just draining the juice from a tin of tomatoes, and then I'm going to add some herbs to that. I'm going to add some thyme, some black pepper, pinch of salt, and give that a good mix. Okay, so it's time to roll our pastry. I'm just going to cut the dough in half and shape and roll to the size that I need. So now I'm just going to spread all of the onions across the base of our pastry. And here I'm rolling out the top. So here I'm just folding the pastry across in half lengthwise. I'm just trimming up the edges. And I'm just cutting along the fold diagonally. And now I just need to brush the sides with a beaten egg. Now we're going to add our tomato mixture. And a few handfuls of grated cheese. And I've just sprinkled some oregano on top. And lastly, brush with 1 beaten egg for that lovely brown glossy look. We're going to bake this at 150 in a preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And here it is after 35 minutes of baking, your cheese, onion and tomato pasty. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe, cheese, onion and tomato pasty. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.